Attempt to repair, Yang, damaged shingle here. You can see shingles are tearing, material transfer. There's no granules left on this roof. Adhesion's all full of debris. Nothing's ever gonna reseal. Haven't even got it out yet. Yeah, this is gonna be a fail. I can't even get the shingles out. We're just gonna have to tarp this. Look, all the shingles totally torn. There's nothing you can do. No repairs can ever be done on this roofing system. Not gonna happen. Look at that. There's no granules left. If you do any repairs, you'll just be coming back to do them again. Attempt to repair, fail. Damaged shingle, as you can see, all the shingles are tearing. Shingles underneath it, there's material transfer. You can't even get the shingles up. I couldn't even get the older shingle out. All high nailed. You can see everything is just crumbling. It's not going to be any repairs here anytime soon. Fail.